What is up, guys? It's me, Austin, and today is Thanksgiving Day. So I'm just gonna make a vlog about today being Thanksgiving Day, and I think I'm gonna go somewhere later. Also, you may notice I'm filming this from a different camera. I'm actually using my GoPro Hero 3 Plus this time instead of my iPhone 6s that I usually use to make my videos. So yeah, just felt like using a different camera. Plus my phone is kind of running out of storage. So anyways, yeah, today I'm just gonna make a Thanksgiving vlog. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade already happened, but obviously I can't show that because, well, you know, copyright. Okay, guys, so now we're here, and also my friend Andrew is right here. So yeah, my friend Andrew brought his Xbox here, so now we can play some games here. So yeah,
we could
one
probably
of his
play
controllers. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. It's a Christmas tree over there. It's pretty cool. It's Christmas time, guys. Now we're playing Star Wars Battlefront 2. So yeah, some epic gameplay footage right here. Oh, there's one over there.
I am a bot. Literally.
Dang it, they got away. Oh.
Whoa.
Now we be playing Fortnite right here. Oh! 91.
Aim for 92. No. 96.
Dang, that person just went right at you. Okay. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Okay. Get him.
Where'd he go?
Oh. Get him. Oh boy. Oh. Dang it.
Bro?
That was good though. That was good. Oh, you have a reboot card?
No.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. You placed 15. Oh, this person. You gonna get him? This person, I think, is getting shot at. Oh, dang it. They died. Oh, boy. Get him. Oh.
No. I'm gonna kill him right here.
Yeah, okay, yeah, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we got. Oh, someone over there. Oh.
Should I trap him?
I don't know. Maybe. I mean, maybe place a trap in the building. Oh, shoot. I think that damaged them.
No way.
Oh, you can hide in the trash? I didn't know that. I swear, that's like a... Oh, dang, you're at low health. Oh, shoot.
No. I damaged him. I don't even know I did.
Yeah, you damaged them. I think they had shield. Yeah, that was pretty good. Alright, so that is all for this video. Sorry that this was a short vlog. I didn't get to film a lot, and that's because I did not do really a heck of a lot of things for Thanksgiving. But hey, at least I had a Thanksgiving, and at least I had a week-long break from school. Some people in other countries don't get to have that opportunity. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to turn on notifications to get notified of my newest and latest uploads. Anyways, bye!